was a famous trumpet man from out Chicago way. He had a boogie style that no one else could play. He was the top man at his craft, but then his number came up.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Let's Try and See with Dina B. And as you can see, I am a pinup sailor for this Halloween season. Now, this video is a two-part. One, it's gonna be this look, and then I have a surprise look at the end. I hope you guys really enjoy it. I've been getting requests of a 1950s style look. And basically, all a 1950s look is a bright red lip and a banging eyeliner, and that's what I did for you today. So I did my basic routine plus those two things, okay? So before you go ahead and check out this video, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything this season. I'm gonna be doing 3 or 4 Halloween looks this season, so stay tuned. Alright, so we're starting with our brows already done, and I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and I'm going to line my brows, and I'm also going to use a foundation brush to blend that concealer down into my mobile lid, my whole space underneath my eyebrows and eyelashes. So that's what you see me doing here. So once that's blended in, I'm going to set that with some brown color or anything close to my skin color. I'm going to set that, and I'm going to be using the Warrior palette for that. But as you can see right now, I'm just making sure that everything is blended in. The key is blending, and more blending. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm just taking my time going over my brows just to make sure everything is nice and crisp. So that's what you see me doing there. And I'm doing a touch-up with my brow pomade that I'm using from Maybelline. Is the Brow Tattoo. So that's what you see me just basically touching up anything that I might have made a mistake on, and that's what you see me here. Now, as you can see, I am setting my powder with the lighter color first, and then I'm going to go over it with a brown flesh color. So that's what you see me doing. I'm using the light color first, and then I'm going to go over it with the brown. Now, next up is my Angel Veil primer, and I am just using dabs. I'm actually using way too much, ladies. Don't be like me. But I am doing my primer just to basically prep my face and get rid of all that extra shine, and then I will go in with my foundation, which is the Fenty 420. And I am using the shade 420, which is my regular shade. It's slightly, ever so slightly too light. And I did that on purpose because, you know, back in the days, they wasn't matching foundation shades all perfect like they are now. So I just went to my regular shade instead of my summer shade. So that is the point of that. But it's only it's like half a shade off. So that's what you see me doing there, and I am applying a good coat and just basically going over my whole face with that. So yeah.
He makes the company jump A to the bar. He's a boogie bugle boy of company B. Do 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 da da do da da do do. He blows it A to the bar. He can't blow a note if the bass and guitar isn't with him. And the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's a boogie bugle boy of company B.
Now, I'm sure they weren't highlighting back in the 50s, but I don't care. So I'm using my Maybelline highlighter, concealer to highlight, and that is in a shade Hazelnut. And I am doing my regular one too with my highlight and contour routine. So that's what you see me doing there. This is something that I prefer to do. It's not necessarily a needed option, but you know, I like this step.
Jumps when he plays reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B.
Now I'm jumping in with my contour. I'm using that dark color from the Warrior palette, and I'm making my contour just a little bit darker, just so that my cheeks can pop. So that's what you see me doing there.
They made him blow a bugle for his Uncle Sam. It really brought him down because he couldn't jam. The captain seemed to understand.
Now, remember earlier when I told you I grabbed that flesh tone colored brown and I set my mobile lid? That's what I'm doing right now. I don't know why I did it so late, but yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So you can do this in the beginning or you can do it at this point. It doesn't matter as long as it gets done. Now, this is the star of the show, my black opal finishing powder in the color medium. I absolutely love this because it really sets my highlight and it, you know, makes that color pop. It makes my face come to life, in my opinion. So that's what you see me doing there.
He makes the company jump A to the bar. He's a boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. Do 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 da da do da da do do. He blows it A to the bar. He can't blow a note if the bass and guitar isn't with
Now here I am brushing off all the excess powder using my Sephora finishing powder in the color dark, and I'm just going over my face, basically knocking out any excess. And now I'm using my Maybelline gel liner, and I'm going to try my best to get a bomb.com eyeliner. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Now, the key to this particular liner, as opposed to how I usually do my liner any other time, is I'm going really, really thick this time. And it actually allows you to control a lot better on top of using the gel liner, which is very easy to control. But I went pretty thick. So that's the difference between my 1950s version compared to my everyday version. I went really thick with it. So that's what you see me doing there.
the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. He was a famous trumpet man from out Chicago way. He had a boogie style that no one else could play. He was the top man at his craft. But then his number came up and he was gone with the draft. He's in the army now, a blowin' reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. They made him blow a bugle for his Uncle Sam. It really brought him down because he couldn't jam. The captain seemed to
And instant lashes, yeah, I didn't want to fight with them today, so boom, they're already on. So now I'm using my Ruby Kisses lipstick just as a base, and then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline lip stain in red, and that's pretty much the end of this look. But stay tuned because I'm going to show you how I convert this same look into a zombie type look.
He was a boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. And when he plays boogie woogie bugle, he was busy as a bzz bee. And when he plays, he makes the company jump A to the bar. He's a boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. Do 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 da da do da da do do. He blows it A to the bar. He can't blow a note if the bass and guitar isn't with And the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's a boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B.
All right, so I did my hair, I changed my clothes, and now I am a 1950s pinup for real. But now I am going to upgrade to the zombie style. So first I'm going to use my makeup wipe to take my makeup off in just this one area. And after that, I am going to show you my Tinsley transfers that you can get off of Amazon. And what I do there now is that's the used piece that I used the last time I shot this look. And as you can see, it's still a little sticky, but I'm going to add a little eyelash glue just to make it adhere. You know, originally when you first use it, all you need is water, but the eyelash glue is for reuse. So yeah, that's what you see me doing here. And all you do is just plop it on your face and then use a little makeup to kind of blur the lines a little bit. And that's about it. Now I will be doing a better tutorial soon, but that's all I have for right now. So this is going to be about it, guys.
He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. They made him blow a bugle for his Uncle Sam. It really brought him down because he couldn't jam. The captain seemed to understand, because the next day the cap went out and drafted a band. And now the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy.
So this is just a quick application. As you can see, the lines of demarcation, because I've already used this Tinsley transfer already, I can't really reapply it so that it looks as good as it did the first time. But I will insert some pictures so that you can see what it looks like. But all it is basically wetting the one side and putting it onto your skin. It's really, really simple. I will be doing an in-depth tutorial on how to use these transfers and then how to blend them with your skin, because they're not really made for dark skin. But like I said, you can always add foundation and make it work. That's all I wanted to show you. Not really a real tutorial as far as this is concerned, but just something so you know where the zombie skin came from. And it's the Tinsley transfers. Where are they? Tinsley transfers on Amazon. They start at $6.99 and they go up to like $10. So they're really, really cheap. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and this tutorial. There will be great pictures added at the end, so stay tuned and watch those. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
They clap their hands and stamp their feet, because they know how he plays when someone gives him a beat. He really breaks it up when he plays reveille.
Did you zoom? Did you move with it?
I tried to, yeah. That's why I'm telling you to do it again.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. You got it?
Again.
You ready?
We're going to keep on doing this for a few times. Again. One more time.
Is this all one continuous video?
Yeah, it is.
Fuck.
Again.
I'm done now.
But then his number came up and he was gone with the draft. He's in the army now, a blowing reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. They made him blow a bugle for his Uncle Sam. It really brought him down because he couldn't jam. The captain seemed to understand, because the next day the cap went out and drafted a band. And now the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. A toot, a toot, a tooty-lad, a tooty blows it eight to the bar. In boogie rhythm, he can't blow a note unless the bass and guitar is playing with him.